In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and watch live TV on YouTube TV. Whether you're new to the service or just trying to find your favorite channels faster, it's super easy once you know where to look, and YouTube TV makes it simple to stream live content from dozens of popular networks. To get started, open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, phone, or computer, and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once inside, click the Home button on your remote or tap the menu icon to bring up the main navigation. Look for the Live section. That's where you'll find all the available live TV channels, organized by category like news, sports, entertainment, and more. You can also use the guide to browse what's currently airing across all channels. Just scroll left or right to see a timeline of shows, or tap a channel to jump straight into live viewing. If you already know which channel you want, use the search bar at the top to find it fast. Just type in the name of the network or show, and YouTube TV will show you live results. And if you want to watch multiple games or shows at once, try the multi-view feature. It lets you watch up to 4 live streams side by side, perfect for sports fans. Thanks for watching. If this helped you find live TV on YouTube TV faster, drop a comment below and let me know what live channel you watched first, sports, news, or something else. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming tips. See you next time.